In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a server in Postmark. By the end, you'll understand what a server is in Postmark, why it matters, and exactly how to set one up with confidence. First, a quick bit of context. In Postmark, a server is like a dedicated workspace where your email activity and settings live. Think of it as a container that helps you organize how you send emails, keep an eye on message activity, and securely manage the credentials you'll use to send. Many teams create separate servers for different apps, different environments like development and production, or even different clients. This keeps your data clean and makes troubleshooting and reporting much easier. Let's get started by logging in. Head over to the Postmark dashboard at account postmarkapp.com and sign in. If you work in multiple organizations or teams, make sure you're in the correct account before you proceed so the new server ends up in the right place. Next, go to the Servers section from the main navigation. You might already see a default server created for you, often called something like My First Server. That's normal. You can keep it, rename it, or simply add a new one so your structure matches how you work. It's helpful to plan your server layout around your projects and environments before you create them, so everything stays organized. Click the Create Server button at the top of the servers list. If you don't see it, you may need the appropriate permissions from your team admin. Once you click it, you'll be prompted to fill out a few details. Start with a clear, descriptive name. Good examples are production, staging, app emails, or the name of the product or client. Consistent naming helps prevent mistakes, especially when multiple people manage email. Choose a color next. The color doesn't affect how your emails send, but it's a visual cue that can help you distinguish servers at a glance, which is especially handy when switching between environments. Now pick the server type. Live is for real email sending to real recipients. Sandbox is for testing without sending to actual users. Sandbox servers are perfect for validating templates and workflows safely. Just remember, once you choose Live or Sandbox, you can't change it later, so pick carefully based on your use case. When you're ready, click Create Server. Postmark will build the server and take you to its dashboard, where you'll be able to view message activity, manage settings, and access the credentials you'll use for sending. That's it. Your server is ready. Keep your naming consistent, choose the right type from the start, and create additional servers as your projects grow.